Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Oh, I get tired of hearing that. I guess you got to say it right if you guys want to see more content. So I got the Klein kit right here, and I went to go buy a multimeter the other day. So I seen this kit on sale, and multimeters are usually around $100. Everybody in the field should know. There's some that were a little bit more expensive, and I have a Milwaukee one. But I went and got this Klein one, and it comes with the Klein multimeter, the outlet tester, and the stick, right? So the multimeter has all the different stuff you're going to want on there: AC, DC, ohms, resistance, and all that. I use it mainly for testing if there's shorts in lines. So I like when it beeps, because I know there's some out there that don't beep. This one doesn't have the clips. I would have liked that, but I liked that it came in a kit, so I got it. So now I have it on continuity. When I'm testing lines, I just used this the other day because we thought there was a short in it. And of course, when you put it together, it makes the sound that I want. And then it also has AC and DC, like I told everyone. It has resistance on it, so I really like it. Wish it would have had a clip. It takes 2 AA batteries that come in the kit with it. This takes 2 AA batteries, comes in the kit with it. And this takes 2 AA batteries, comes in the kit with it. So it comes with 6 batteries. This one you twist off. The other 2, you just unscrew that screw, stick it in. The stick is nice and handy. I have a Greenlee one, so this is one I keep on me at work. But I like that this came with the kit. I do like Klein Tools, and it has both those ranges right there, so you can test between them. Hold it to turn it off. And it has a flashlight on it, which comes in handy. And I also got this bag that came with it, but I had to buy that separately, unfortunately. I want to show you guys the outlet, so let's go look at the outlet tester inside. I really like it. This thing works really well. It's digital. Plug it in, it tells you what's wrong, tells you if it's open, if something's going on with it. We tested a few outlets with it the other day, so let's go inside so I can show you guys. So we have my outlet here. We have my tester. You just turn it on. Digital screen. It says open and hot. And you just plug it in. 12.3 volts alternate current. 12.3. 123 volts alternate current, and it's correct. Simple as that. I haven't used it on an outlet that hasn't worked yet. Everything we've tested has worked, so I don't know what the readings are when it doesn't work, but it's that simple. You pull it out, you push reset. I'll push this one to reset and plug it back in. That's what I was doing the other day when we had multiple outlets to test. So I really like this. Easy to read, comes in handy. So this is the kit, everything that comes in it. This was under $100. That's why I got it. I like that it has all 3 of these. And I did buy this case. This case was like another $15. Everything fits in here though. And I was kind of disappointed in Klein for selling this by itself and not having one in the kit. But everything fits in there real nicely. You can see everything fits in here. There's a little pocket for the outlet tester. And closes up real nicely. I could just carry everything around in it. So thanks again. Go ahead and like, subscribe if you guys want to see more content on me reviewing products. And that's about it.